Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink. Today we're gonna talk about the really heavy drop D guitar riff. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe on my channel, hit the notification button, blah blah blah. I'll show you what I'm gonna talk about today. It's really cool. And so on. This thing is really cool, and it's play with drop D, my favorite tuning. Why? Because it has so much oomph. You know, this chord just sounds as it should. So before we get started, first, how do we get this really oomphy guitar sound? Of course, with drop D tuning, you tune down the low E string down to a D, and then you. And I'm playing on the neck pickup. I'm using a high power, Friedman amp. Distortion not too high because we still want to have some transparency in the sound, not too much saturated distortion. You know, to get this specific transparency, specifically when you play on the neck pickup. That's really important. And I'm just using a spring reverb, no digital reverb, to give it more the original rockish, you know, back in the 70s, 80s sound, where you had these amps with a lot of spring reverb. Good. And the rest I'm gonna show you from the close view. In rock guitar, rhythm and precision in rhythm or timing is really crucial. So it's really important to know the rhythm behind this, to be, you know, to get really tight on timing. So it starts with open D string, of course. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2. If you want, you can make 2 dead notes here. 1, 2. Okay, as you like, or you can also make as a variation. And what is important to make this sound really oomphy, you know, with the neck pickup, is that you, as you can hear, you pull away the guitar and give this extra kind of a chorus or kind of a detune effect. So you press against the body of the guitar and pull away the neck of the guitar to get this effect. So 1, 2, 3. On a 4 you make a dead note, and then you make this 1, 2, 3, 4 chaka. You need those 2 dead notes, 16 dead notes on 4-inch to change the chord to. Now we're going to F5, and now we're using the full scale F5, which is this one here. So you just make a barre in the 3rd, ring on the G string in the 5th, and pinky on the 6th on the B string, and this. And then we go to G, just move it up. Okay, so. Oh, sorry, I forgot first come. So 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Check it. 1, 2, and 3. So make a D7. D7 sharp 9. 1, 2, and 3. And again 4 chaka. 4 chaka. And then you switch to the F. Then you go to the F5. and to the G5, and then the whole thing repeats itself. Now you're gonna make it more dynamic by, when you play the F5 and the G5, you just lay them down, and later on you can give more motion here just with 16 note beats. This is played 3 times, the whole thing. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after the 3rd time, we move up to B flat from the G, which is really simple. You move it up in the 8th fret, and to the C, here in the 10th fret, and then we make the figure of the D again. And then with the Jaga, we go down to the A5, 1, 2, 3, on 4, we make this figure. So, 16 note figure on 4, you slide from 3 to 5, back to 3 to open, and then you play at E5, and then have 1 bar pause, and the whole thing starts all over again. I'm gonna play it. Two, 3, 4, and so on. Then the whole thing repeats all itself. I forgot, when you finish, you make also this effect, press against guitar body and the neck, and create this rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you continue with it all over again. The really main trick to give so much power to this riff is that you really do this dynamically press against the guitar to get this special effect, which leads down to the next part of the riff, and that's really the crucial part of the whole riff. I created this really cool backing track. As you heard, you probably want to jam with it. I'm going to make a tutorial later about what we can jam to this tutorial, to this backing track, but for today I just want to show you the riff. That one is available in the HPCrazy Guitar Me, plus the tabs of the riff. Please join there, please become a premium member in order to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. And please also subscribe to my channel, and please share to the world that me and Dr. Pink are existing. That also would help a lot to keep the whole thing going on. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys.